in this video, I created a step-by-step process on how to create and verify your first trading account. So yeah, it consists of the mobile version and the PC version. So which one should we start with, guys? Mobile or PC? Mobile. This is how you basically open an account on the mobile. So basically, I think for this video, I'm only gonna do for the mobile. Then if you want for the PC, you can just leave a comment. Do the video on the PC as well. It will come, guys, the following day. So basically, you firstly click here on the broker, create account with this broker. The broker is on the about of this group chat on WhatsApp, but you can also use you can also use the link for the broker that is in the description below, guys. So you click the link. I'm going to put the email that I'm going to be using for this account. It sent a link to my email. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna go in my email and check for the link that they have sent, guys. So in the link here, that's when you click verify my email. So basically your country of residence, that's when you live. If you live in Zimbabwe, like me, you can actually go and search for Zimbabwe. There it is, guys. There is my country. Citizenship, I'm also gonna put Zimbabwe, guys. Citizenship, Zimbabwe. Then I'm going to have to type a password. I'm just gonna use a slight password. This account doesn't matter. Now, guys, it actually takes me here for the account currency. Usually I use US dollar or pound sterling, but for this account I'm going to use US dollar since most of us in Zimbabwe use the US dollar. Okay, so enter your first and middle name. However, for this account, I have an account with this broker already, so I'm going to try in as much as I can to actually not be a bit honest to this broker because it will breach my other account. I don't want any problems caused to my other account. So I'm just gonna type El Shaddai Junior. Okay, so this is the first step. My date of birth is 21. Guys, you're supposed to be over 18 if you want to create an account with this broker. As you can see, it only allows you if you are 18. 21. April 2006. Then guys, place of birth is Zimbabwe, obviously. Then here I'm going to conceal my number. After this, guys, so guys, you're not supposed to leave a gap there. Select your account purpose. Obviously, if you're like me, actually going to be using for income earning. Identity verification, national ID number. Okay, I'm going to skip this process. I already have another account with this broker, but you are supposed to enter, guys. You guys are supposed to enter. So here, select your employment status. As for me, I'm self-employed. So country of residence, enter your tax identification number. So here I'm just going to enter a fake. This is a fake account, guys. This is a fake account. So everything is fake. You understand me? But for you guys, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you have a tax identification number. If you don't, maybe if you're still young, just beg your parents for theirs. I confirm that my tax information, mine is not, this is a fake account. Let's go, guys. So enter your address. Okay, so basically I'm going to enter an address. So for mine, this is all fake, guys. This is all fake. This is just for demonstrating to you guys. Yeah. I don't know the spelling of my brain. My brain. Harare. Guys, this is all fake, guys. Enter your town or city. This is Harare. Select your province. This is Harare. Then enter your postal code. Mine, yeah, guys, this is the default. Zimbabwe doesn't actually have a postal code, but you can use 263 or 4 zeros or 3 zeros. I'm pretty sure maybe that can work. I don't know. I'm not so sure, but you can use this or that, guys. So you click next. As you can see, the interface is really easy to use. So okay, I am not a pep and I have never been a pep. I agree to these terms and conditions. Then here you see, here you just click no, select no, select no. Then yeah. If you want to, if you are too patient to read these terms of use, you can, but they don't really apply to you guys. Don't really apply to you. So let's go, guys. Account has been created successfully, guys. So after this, let's just wait for it to load. After this, you choose whether you want to deposit or but usually you want to deposit or anything like that, guys. So I usually use my card. Or you can use all these if you have all these, guys. If you want to use all these, you can use all these, or crypto or e-wallet, as you can see, or you can use actually the peer-to-peer method. I'm gonna show you the peer-to-peer method if you want to withdraw or deposit using EcoCash. But I basically use my card. But if you don't want to use a MasterCard since it doesn't allow withdrawals, so basically, yeah, the account, I'll deposit later, as you can see. So right now, I still have this account. It is zero funds. So here, guys, I then come here, to the account settings. Then I do my proof of identity and proof of address, guys. Before anything else, before even depositing or anything like that, I have to firstly submit my proof of identity and my proof of address, guys. So guys, as for me, I'm not gonna enter all these, guys, but it's just for you demonstrating. I'm demonstrating for you. Choose the document type. You can select all these, national ID number, then enter your document number, guys. You guys add they need to be verified within 3 days, guys. I'm not gonna enter this, as I said. I'm not gonna enter this, guys, but you guys are supposed to enter, because I already have an account that is verified. Then after this, guys, you come to the account settings, then you go to the proof of address, guys. The proof of address you can use, I'm actually going to show you mine, the one that I used back then. You can, if you want to upload a proof of address, so if you want to upload, you can just go to the police station with an affidavit, then just write as I did. I'm going to show you mine. If you don't so if you don't have these documents, these electricity, water, gas, or landline phone bill that are not in your name, guys, you can just use an affidavit. I'm going to show you the one that I used when I was still starting out, and it's the one that is still verified on my account, guys. The verification takes about 3 days, you see. So you just choose here, guys, an affidavit, official residence, but it depends on what you have. If you have the utility bills or anything like that that is registered in your name, you can use that, or you can use the landline phone bill, or your bank statement, or your official residence declaration or affidavit, or official letter issued by the government or solicitor. Yeah, so guys, that's basically how mine works, how I did mine. You can use if you have all these documents. So I showed you basically, guys. The platform is very easy to use. You can use any of these just read through, guys. It's very simple to use. Then after that, guys, we go to the what's this, the sorry, the financial assessment, guys. The financial assessment, yeah, it's not really that necessary, but you have to fill it, guys. You have to fill it. So industry of, you just have to fill it, guys. It doesn't really matter that much, but just have to fill it, then submit it. So after that, guys, we go to the then we go to the CFDs on how to actually open an MT. I was saying now that when you now then want to get an account on the mt5, guys, you go to, isn't it over here, guys? You just click here, CFDs, then you click all this deriv mt5. Usually we are going to be using the standard deriv account, so you click get, guys. After that, you choose any, but usually we use the British Virgin Islands, or any works. I'm not gonna lie, any works. Then you click get, guys. After that, they are gonna need you. Yeah, guys. So basically, as you can see, I haven't yet verified my account, or we can just use the demo, guys, for just demonstrating. This is just demonstrating. So basically, you see the demo comes with a minimum fee of 10, a minimum deposit, fake deposit of 10,000. Then you click get. Then after that, you just type the password that you want on your mt5. So I'm gonna just have to click this fake password. This fake password over here, guys. Yeah, then click create deriv mt5 password. You see, it's ready. So what I do then is this, guys. I copy all these details, these ones, you see. Okay, so let me explain where these work. these details are necessary. You copy the login ID, then here you just, then you also remember your password. So what then after this do we do, guys? What then after this do we do? So basically, you also make sure that you see all these details, the broker, then the server. Then as you can see, my server is deriv.com limited, then uh, my broker is deriv.com limited, then my server is deriv demo. You understand? This is when you just want to check how the account is performing. You understand? So what you do is then, guys, what you then do is this. You come to your mt5, guys, then you click accept and all this, open an account. See, so it starts by opening you an account, a demo account on it, guys. So you click, then you find the deriv broker. As you can see, our details were deriv.com limited, deriv.com limited. Then you enter your broker name here, deriv.com limited. You would have downloaded mt5 on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. Then you put in your details, the one that we copied, guys. Then your password, the one that we used from there, guys. Oh, guys, I no longer remember my password. Okay, let's see if this one works. No longer remember my password, guys. Ish. Yo, that is a fake password. So let's try again, guys. So the password is tiny. As you can see, guys, we have actually opened the account. So here, that's when you'll be checking the progress. As we'll be trading the account, you'll be just seeing the history flagging in, guys. As you can see from here, we don't have the deposit or withdrawal access, which means that you only send us our profits and we don't have access to withdraw or deposit on your account. You see, you're the one who has the access to deposit or withdraw on your account in the broker access, guys. You understand? So here you only send us these details that we used to log in, then we trade the account from the mt5 platform. You understand? So basically, that's all it is, guys, about creating your first account. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Anyways, guys, let's step away. As you can see, this would be your first account, guys. Your first account. So basically, now I want to show you how so if you want to learn how the DP2P platform works, I can do a video on it, guys. All you have to do is just leave a comment in the comment section below, then I'll reply to it with the video, of course, maybe the following day, guys. So yeah, guys, stay with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.